Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, April the 4th and the time is around 3:15 a.m. GMT. So today we will be taking a look at gold. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see right here that gold ended with B at 1,324. Since then, the decline, it looks impulsive. We can see a clear subdivision in the 5 waves. 1, 2, 3 with an extended 3 here, subdivided also as a 5 waves, a very nice subdivision. 4, and then now it looks to have ended the cycle as a 5 waves here. Now we should be looking at the correction of this 5 waves down in the shorter cycle. So in other words, expect gold to see correction of this cycle. We can go to, and the correction looks to be taking the form of a zigzag A, B, C, right? So this leg ended with one of C, right? If this is with B, so this leg is with one of C. So this is a zigzag in the minor degree. The minor degree is in a red label here. Okay, so in the minor degree is an ABC zigzag, and we are in the C leg of the minor degree in a zigzag, and then subdivides into a 5 waves. As you know, a zigzag is a 5-3-5 structure. Now this one, this bounce here also is also is taking the form of a zigzag, right? Of course, it's at the lower degree, and we are looking for an ABC, potentially ending this with 2. And sometimes you can easily project the area by using the Fibonacci extension tool here. So the projected area currently sits at 1297, 1304, and then from this area gold has a chance to turn lower again. All right, so now let's take a look a little bit at the larger degree. Looking at the 4-hour chart, so you notice here this B that we saw earlier is right here, right? And this one that you saw earlier, this one is right here. All right, so now we are within this with C in gold, and as always that will be as a 5 waves like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this, right? Because of the zigzag structure, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? Something like this, and that will end your C. So if this is a B, right, then this has to be your A, and so we are correcting from this peak here in February 20th as an A, a B, a C. This is where we are right now. So if you look at this decline here, right, if you look at this decline, that does look like an impulse, right? I mean, it's easy for you to label it as an impulse. Maybe you just put it like this, 1, 2, and then put the 3 somewhere here, I guess 3, 4, 5, something like this, right? So that's kind of easy to label it as an impulse. It does look like there is an extension on the 3rd wave, so this can become an impulse. Now in order for this view to sort of to get validation, right, technically speaking, gold still needs to break below here. So if gold is able to break below the previous low here, that will gain validation. Okay, we got a sequence, the sequence is bearish, lower low, and so therefore we can see for the downside, right? So that will be the case if we can get a break below the A. But at the same time though, this move lower, it does look impulsive, it does look like an impulse. So therefore, even if we have not broken below here, that does seem to be leaning towards more downside at this point in gold. So we should be expecting more correction. Now regarding how far this sell-off is going to happen, it's going to end if we do reach a full target here. It can go to around 1260, right? 1258 to be exact, is a potential target on the up to the downside, and then we should be able to get some sort of support here. Okay, and then from here, either at least we should be getting some sort of a three-way bounce. All right. So that's what we're looking. Now some people are looking at this structure here in gold, right, and mentioning about some sort of head and shoulder pattern here, right? But it's not really a very nice head and shoulders in my view. I mean, it's not really symmetrical, so I won't pay too much attention to it, to be honest myself. But it does look like if we do get a break below this A here, with a 5 ways down from here, I think it does lean towards the possibility of more downside at this point. Okay, unless but again, I think the key is gaining the validation by breaking below this previous low here. And we do get a NFP data on Friday, so let's see what the effect is going to be. Okay, so that's the update for today. Thanks very much, and as always, if you want to see the next update or trading ideas or learn more about Elliott Wave, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.